Okay, I shared this one. Can anyone see this one? Is it visible? My audio is visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so everyone can hear. Okay, well, let's start. So this is the sheet 7 where the 3D diagram is shown here. Arrow, I'm showing you the arrow with the cursor. Here the when you see the 3D, it's looking like very tough diagram, but it's not that much tough. It is very easy only. If we see from this side, the arrow which is showing here, this arrow is your front view. So in the front view, what you will see, this box and a small curvature here, and that become a box only. That is a rectangular box. Now here in the diagram, it is showing there is a curve, but you can draw directly a rectangular lines joining only, no problem. No curvature, no need. Here also no need any curvature, just join the lines, two lines here and here. So here now you have to use the protractor very carefully. So see here, first to draw these 60 and remaining you have to calculate here how much it is. 60 means here 20. So the 60 and plus 20, 80 from here to here 80 you have to draw 80 millimeters, that is 8 centimeters. Now from that we have horizontal, we can take 40 means 4 centimeters. In this 4 centimeters, in the center 2 centimeters, you can put a dot, that is nokta. Then from there you have to draw two circles. First circle, what is the R here? Diameter is showing here 16. So the dia is 16 means what is the radius? It is 8. So take the protractor, mark on the scale 8 mm. 8 mm, and from this center point of these 40, that is 20 millimeter, put the protractor and draw a circle here. And once the circle is finished, another measurements you have to take from the scale, that is what is the size of the second circle? It is 40. So it's the dia. So you have to take the 20 millimeter as a measurement on the scale. Put the protractor on the scale with the 2 centimeters, that is 20 millimeter, and put it here in the center and draw from this point to this point, that is 20 millimeter, 2 centimeters. After that, you have to make it down, or you can start from here, no problem. How much here you can see? This is 12 mm. From this 60, make a center, it's at 3 centimeters, and come here, and 6 is above, 6 is down. So from this 6 is above and down, 12 mm is coming here. So from this 12 mm, what is the length you have to see? What is the length? It is here, this is 20 and this is 20, 40. So total it is 40 plus here is 40, 80. It means 80 is the horizontal and 100 is the vertical, means 60 plus 20 here and 20 diameter. Total 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters is the horizontal. So you can draw like this. Now there are lines are there where which are not visible. These two lines, you have to be used here dash lines. I can zoom it. Yeah. Here you have to zoom. Yeah, here I mention it like a complete solid line, but you have to use dash line here. And here also one dash line with a one big dash and small dash, so that it shows that there is a circle is behind the object. Now this is front view. Okay, any doubts in the front view? Here also another circle is there. Here you have to use dash lines here and here, and this is your locus line. And dimensions I am showing like this, but what I explained in the class like this on like that only you have to use for the dimensions. Here it is from the Google. I got this figure. The dimension lines are not that much clear, but you have to use as per our class. Now coming to the top view, when you see from the top, here it is 40. That is completely 12 plus 16 plus 12. The completely it is 40. So you can box here 40 by how much size? You can see here 40 by 40. Yeah, here 40 up to here 40. That is from here 20, again here 20, 40. From here another 20. That is 60. So this 61 line, here also 61 line, here also third line is 60 and fourth line is 60. That is 6 centimeters. Now from this is 40, I think. Okay, from this 6 centimeters, it make a center point, that is at the 2 centimeters. Make a point here so that it will be center. And now I will draw again two circles. That is, one is full circle, one is half circle. Full circle is 16 dia, that is 8 mm. Draw the 8 mm diameter one circle, and the second half circle is 40, it is a dia, so we have to use 2 centimeter as a radius and draw with a protractor 2, 2 centimeters radius. This is your top. Here also same. This is a locus line. One big line, one small line, big line, small line, not solid line. This is this dash lines like a circle, a hidden circle, which you cannot see. Now this is about the top view. Now coming to the front, sorry, side view. Side view is slightly typical, but you can draw easily by making a parallel lines to the front view. From the front view, where we are starting from here. So from here it is joining here, and from the top it is joining here. So 100 mm is the actual height. So that's 100 mm height. You have to take the exact length is 12 plus 16 plus 12, that is 40. So 4 centimeters. In this 4 centimeters, you can divide 12, then 16, then 12 like a boxes. Now come up to down up to 8 centimeters, not 100. That is not 10 centimeters. Up to 8 centimeters only you have to draw. Again here also 8 centimeters come down. Now draw this up to, oh, I think just wait. Yeah, you have to, this is 20 and this is 20, 40. After the 40 it is 12. So yeah, this line is up to 20 up to here, and this line is up to 20 here, 40. This is up to 40, one solid line. After that 12 mm another solid line. So like this you have to draw this one. And these are the dash lines, hidden circles, and this is the locus line. One big dash, small dash, big dash, small dash. Now, oh, 8 centimeters is finished. Now this side and this side. Now coming to the two circles. From these 8 centimeters, starting from here, that is from 0 to 4 centimeters, make a point here at 2 centimeters, that is center point. Now here also same, take 16 mm dia, means 8 mm radius one circle, and 2 centimeters radius another half circle. So it will be finished. Now you have to draw all the dimensions without fail. There are many dimensions are missing here, so you have to draw wherever the dimensions are needed. Okay, this is about the sheet 7. Okay, any doubts in this? Next week you have to submit this sheet 7 and 8. Okay, we will go to the next sheet 8. Yeah, sheet 8 is looking very tough, but it is very easy to draw and to understand. Very, very small time consuming, not the lengthy one. See, the diagram is like this, the 3D one. If you see, there is a cylindrical shape, one 3D object is there. There are many circles are there. So if you see from this side, this is the front view where you can observe only two circles, one inner circle, one is outer circle. Inner circle size is 40 dia, 5 means dia, then 50 dia. So what we have to do, we have to take a protractor, make it half, that is 2 centimeters one dia, one circle, another 2.5 centimeters is the another centimeters radius one circle. So two circles you are drawing here. See, there are two circles. One is 25, another one is 20. That is becomes 40 and 50. Now on the top of this one, you can see these rectangular two boxes with the equidistance 5 mm. 5 mm from the center you have to check. From the center 2.5 mm left, 2.5 mm right, so that it will be exactly 5 mm. After that, another 5 mm on the right side, another 5 mm on the left side. Total 3 boxes will be there. 5 mm on the left, 5 mm on the right, in the middle another 5 mm. It automatically comes. So, and the height is 20 mm. You can see here the height is 20 mm. How it is coming? The inner circle is here 10 and outer circle is 20. So the height is 20 mm. Don't worry. Okay, now coming to the top view. Top view, if you see top view from the top, actually it is a hollow shape cylinder, but when you see from the top, it look like a rectangle. Now see the rectangle size, the complete length of this one is 60 and the diameter is 40 and 50. So first the length, you can say height 60 and this one is 50. Now in between this 50 there is a another circle which is hidden. So that hidden circle have the dash lines here. This is the dash lines which is a hidden circle inside the circle 40 mm diameter circle that you cannot see. So you can compare from here. So this is the inner circle which will project on the top view which will be a dash line dash dash dash. So this is 5 mm, this is 5 mm. Now same these two is projected the rectangles on the top like this one 5 mm one box height is 20 and another 5 mm is box height is 20 on the left and right. In the middle it is 5 mm rectangular box but it is 5 by 40 it is 20 and 20 40. So like this you have to draw. Now here everything I mentioned here just the size 5 mm 50 mm without the dimension line. You have to use the dimension line what we studied in the class. Now do not follow these dimension lines. You have to follow what we studied. Okay, about the diameter dimension it is shown here like this you can use the diameter no problem. Now here side view when you see the side view from this side same the hollow cylinder will look like a rectangle only. So what is the size 60 and height is 50 and 40. So this is the height is 50 and 40 you can project from here 50 and 4 this one and length is 60. Same inner circle is hidden one. So dash line will come here one and another line will come here with 5 mm 5 mm as a height. Now this one, this 20 mm line is not there. This one is there. 10 mm is height. Here also 10 mm height. What is the distance here? It is 20. You see, you can see here 20 is there. So 20 is the length here. So and height is 10 mm here. 20 and 10. Now from this center you can have one dot here at the 10 mm that is 1 centimeters and draw a circle with a 1 centimeter or 10 mm radius. So no, I think no, it's wrong. We have to use 5 mm. Sorry, 5 mm. The 10 mm is the complete diameter. It is right. So you have to use protractor for drawing. In a 10 mm diameter is you have to use 5 mm as a radius and draw a circle at the center. Now put the another point here for the center and use 10 mm as a radius to draw this semi half circle you can say semi or half circle this 10 mm. So don't draw this line. This is not there in this. I have to delete it. Later I will delete. I will showing only the height is 20 mm to show that I put a line I think. Now you have to use proper here dimension lines what we studied in the class. So this is about the sheet 8. So these two sheets you have to draw at your home and submit by next class the same day. Okay. So be careful. Two sheets are not that much tough, easy only. It may take mostly 1.5 and or 3 hours, not more than that. If today class was there, you can draw in the class, but unfortunately due to rain, we didn't have class. So you can draw at your free time in your home and complete it and submit by next week. Okay, next thing I want to tell. Okay, before that, any doubts in this? Okay, no doubts. So I will stop this one and next item I want to discuss is, yeah, about this one. Yeah, about the homework, what I uploaded in the Blackboard. I will discuss something here. Share application. We'll
Doctor,
go. Yes, ma'am.
should we draw circles with points?
You can use the protractor, or you can use some circular will be there in the scale. In the scale, some circles will come, holes will come. You can purchase that one, no problem. Up to you. Either,
Okay.
but the dimension should be same: 10 mm, 20 mm, 40
Okay.
mm. That one you can use, no problem. Okay. If you are you don't have the protractor, you can use the circular. The circular means in a scale, mastara. In the scale, small holes will come. On that dimension will be mentioned. 1 mm, 5 mm, 10 mm. All holes are there predefined. Okay, you can use that one.
Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. This one is the homework. You can see this is a 3D homework and it has 5 marks. So be careful. You are to be precise when you are drawing. This is the 3D. No need to draw this part. Only you have to draw top view, front view, and side view. Okay. So this is side is arrow is showing is the front. As for that, this side will be the side view, and the top is the this one from this side. So be careful and draw properly how the top view will be, how the front view will be, how the side view will be, and fill the details here, your name, ID, section, date, and title. Title is homework, drawing homework. You can type here, no problem. Sheet you can type as a sheet homework, HW you can write. That's up to you. We will take care later. But these here top view, front view, side view should be proper. See properly here, judge exactly how much is the length, how much is the width, how much is the height, or how many circles. There are two circles are there here. You can see each diameter of 20 means 20 mm means 1 mm is a radius. So what is the distance from here is 30. So total it is 60 is the width. So the circle is exact at the center means at 3 centimeters 30 mm. From there you can use the protractor with 1 mm, sorry, 1 centimeter as a radius and draw a circle of 20 mm dia. So as per that only you have to draw this one. Two holes are there, some here gap is there, everything you have to be checked. I know this is a little hard, but you are getting 5 marks for this one. Regular class sheets are 2.5 marks. Now here it is 5 marks. So you have to work hard on it. Okay, any doubts in this? We can finish the class here so that I will give time to draw at your home. Okay, this is the sheet 7, sheet 8 and homework. Then we can, and this last date for this homework is, I already mentioned, after the vacation, 26/11/2023. You can come to me in my office from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in my office. If I am not available in my office, you can push under my door. No problem. Later, and you can send one picture message that you already submitted the sheet in my office. Okay. Okay. All the best. See you in the next class next week, inshallah. Next week we are going to have another portion that is electrical wiring. So drawing chapter will finish this week. So next week you can bring the boards, no problem, if with you. If we have some changes in the diagram so that you can make it. Okay. So then I will send one lab manual for electrical wiring. Just you have to come and attend the class. Nothing to carry. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I will stop the lecture. Here, any doubts? Another chance to ask anyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask. I will upload this video also so that you can see and draw easily the diagrams. Okay. Okay. Someone sent chat message. How to submit drawing sheet 6. Yeah, sure. Any sheets next week, no problem. Any pending sheets you have next week, you can submit under my door. You can push it. If I am available in the office, you can directly give to me a hand, or you can come to the class and you can submit it. No hurry. Okay. Sheet 6, 7, 8, no problem. But before the sheet 6, 1 to 5 sheets, you have late marking if you have old sheets, because sheet 6 only the pending, not the other sheets. So sheet 6, 7, 8 and homework next week onwards you can submit anytime, no problem. Okay, thank you, see you.